walking your streets all the time with my mind set on you. I'm roaming your parks all the time with my thoughts close to you. I follow a line on the ground where the wall once has been. I'm taking a ride on the bus from the west right to the east. Listen to the sounds of Berlin. Listen to the sounds of Berlin. Listen to the sounds of Berlin. Remember the days of the past when Cold War chilled your heart. They cut you in two halves and said be quiet and just move on. You looked like an island in the dark, lost and all closed up. Yet the West still held on to you and said, I am Berlin. Listen to the sounds of Berlin. Listen to the sounds of Berlin. Listen to the sounds of Berlin. So many years passed by when finally the wall broke down. The East shook your hand and cried out, let's be one again. Our streets are shining bright and the nights never end. But when morning breaks, you know your heart is due to mend. Listen to the sounds of Berlin. 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 Listen to the sounds of Berlin.